This is the exterior angles of a triangle video. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. Okay, so what this means is that this exterior angle out here, angle 1, is equal, if you just add up these two far away angles, A and B, they're equal to angle 1. So angle A plus angle B equals angle 1. Okay. I would just, if I had this angle, or if I didn't, you can subtract the three angles of the triangle, so you can subtract these two from 180 and find this angle here, and then subtract that from 180 to find angle 1. So you don't have to use this theorem, okay? You can just use what you already know about triangles to find that outside angle, that exterior angle. Alright, for example, find angle X. So you can use the theorem that we just went over, that the two remote angles, angle 1 or angle A and angle B, if you add those together, angle A plus angle B, if you add those together, it will equal the exterior angle. Okay, so you can use that. Okay, or you can use what we've been doing. Okay, you take 180 minus 50, minus 60. You will get 70, so that would be this angle here. And that's what we've been using. We've been saying that the three angles of a triangle equal 180. Okay, so you can just subtract them from 180 and get 70. And then we had said before that two angles that make a line are called supplementary. So I can take 180 minus 70 and I'll get 110. So whether you use the new theorem or you just use the knowledge that you already know, either way you should be able to find the exterior angle. You can use what we Alright, again, you can take the two remote angles and add them up. 90 plus 58, and that should equal X, okay, which is 148. So X is 148. Or you can use what we already know, okay, add the three angles of a triangle equal 180, so I can take 180 minus 58 minus 90. Okay, subtract those. So 180 minus 58 minus 90, you'll get 32. That would be this angle here. And then again, these two are a linear pair, so they're supplementary. So I can take 180 minus 32, and I'll get 148. So either way, whether I add the remote angles together to get the exterior angle, or I solve for the triangle and then subtract that from 180. Alright, this time the missing angle is not the exterior angle. So the exterior angle is equal to the remote interior angles added together. So 92 plus X is equal to 123. So instead of adding the two remote exterior angles together, you're going to end up subtracting. Okay, so 123 minus 92 is 31, and that would be X. Okay, or you can use what we already have been, like our previous knowledge. you can say that this makes a line, that's a linear pair, so I can take 180 minus 123. Okay, so 180 minus 123, we get 57. Okay, and then inside the triangle, you can take 57 and 92 and subtract that from 180. So 180 minus 92 minus 57 will give us 31, which is what we said it was. So again, you can use the adding the angles, the interior angles up to equal 180 and the linear pair being 180, or you can use that the remote angles add to give you the exterior angle. Either way. Alright, same situation. We have the two, we don't have the two remote angles. We have one angle and we have the exterior angle. So again, you can take the exterior angles and add them, and that will equal 115. Okay, again, instead of adding, you're going to end up subtracting 54 from 115, which is 61. That's perfectly fine. Okay, or you can take these two angles here, make a linear pair, so take 180 minus 115, and that'll give you this angle here. So 180 minus 115 is 65, so this angle here is 65, and then the three angles in a triangle add up to equal 180. So you can take 180 minus 65 that we just found, minus 54, and that'll give us x, the third angle, which is 61. So either way, whether you use the remote angles, add up to equal the exterior angles, or you just solve the triangle. Alright, so this one says find the missing angles in the figure below. Okay, so you can do this by adding your two remote angles together. 20 plus 5 plus 3x equals your exterior angle, which is 5x plus 7. Combine your like terms, we'll get 25 plus 3x equals 5x plus 7. Subtract 3x from both sides and get 25 equals 2x plus 7. Subtract 7 from both sides and get 18 equals 2x, and then divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. If they just wanted you to solve for x, you're done. They asked us to actually find 5x plus 7, find the angles. So 5x plus 7, 5 times 9 plus 7, 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. So this angle out here is 52. Alright, and then 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 5 is 32. So this is 32. 20 plus 32 is 52, so we're right. This is definitely the easiest way to do this. Trying to solve the triangle first and then use that to subtract here is going to be way more difficult. In this case, adding the two remote angles to equal the exterior angle is definitely the easiest way. Alright, same type of example. We need to find the missing angles. Okay, so these two remote angles, 30 plus 4x plus 2 is equal to the exterior angle 8 plus 6x. And then solve. My like terms are 30 and 2, so that would be 32 plus 4x equals 8 plus 6x. So I like to move my smallest variable, so I'm going to move the 4x and have 32 equals 8 plus 2x. Subtract 8 from both sides. 32 minus 8 is 24. And then divide by 2. If you were just finding x, which usually you will be, then you would be done. X is 12. You're done. In this case, they asked us to actually find the angles. Okay? So 4x plus 2 would be 4 times 12 plus 2. 4 times 12 is 48 plus 2 would be 50. So this angle here is 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. So this outside angle here better end up being 80. So we have 8 plus 6 times x, which is 12. 6 times 12 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80, which is what we said that it better equal. Okay, 30 plus 50 equals 80. Okay, and the remote interior angles are supposed to add up to equal the exterior angle. So we must be right.